Hello, this last video is about Lab 7, which is all about two-dimensional arrays. So the objective is for you to be able to manipulate a two-dimensional array in several methods. So you'll have two files, barchart.java, which you don't have to manipulate at all, although you're welcome to look at it, but you don't. It's pretty obscure. And 2dim array practice.java, which has the tasks in it. So this is what the output looks like, and you'll be required to do those four, do the methods behind those four buttons. So let's see what what the code actually does. If we go to the file in the solution and run it, there's the results. Notice that this is a square array, 4 rows and 20 columns. And the GUI is provided for you. The bars change according to the height between 50 and 80, I believe. So if we clicked on fill values, it would reset the whole array, the whole 4 by 20 array. Just uses a random number generator. And whenever the buttons are processed, a message comes up, a dialog box, saying whether it was correct or not. And in that case, it was correct. Print array prints the arrays down below in the console. So again, the array is printed, and the console and the message dialog box shows that the array is printed. All the values are shown here. Notice that the bars are all red now because each element has been processed. Let's go to set values. And we're going to enter a value between 50 and 80. So let's, 55. And which row? Let's take row 1, and it'll set all those values to 55. Okay, so the message box comes up saying it was correctly set, correctly done. Let's find the minimum in column 6, let's say. So the red bar shows the time that when it was found. Let's try column 3 again, just for differences. So once again, the bars change color as it finds the current minimum, and then it ends up with the correct minimum in this case. Okay, count frequency. Let's count the frequency of 51. And we can see that there is probably probably two instances. Oh, 4 instances. There were 2 in the 0th row that I didn't notice. As it finds a certain value, the value that we're counting, it changes the color of the bar to red. So there are 4 total, and it found it 4 times, and that's correct. So your task then is to fill out the 4 methods that are shown. Task 1, print array to the console, that's already done. Oh, no, print array to the console, you need to take care of that. Remember, the basic thing to remember about a 2-dimensional array is that a 2D array is an array of arrays. So the individual rows, each individual rows also has a length. And so row gets set, and then length gets set. So task number 2, set all the elements in a row to a specified value. And find the minimum value in a specified column. And find the frequency of a given value in the array. Then put both of the files in your GitHub repository and upload the 2 files plus the GitHub screenshot to Blackboard, and you're done.